as part 2 of this series, I'm going to show you how to pill your cat. The main reason we would want to do this is if the medication needs to be given on an empty stomach. The easiest way that I like to do it is to hold them in this position because I am right-handed. I kind of use my elbow to prevent them from backing up. And then I will take the pill and I will hold it with my pointer and thumb and use my middle finger to pull their bottom jaw down. I'm going to use my thumb and my middle finger to feel this little ridge that they kind of have at their jaw. And I'm just going to slowly pull down and put the medication in, and that he makes it look very easy. He does get medication daily, but that is one option on how to give your cat a pill. Another option that I'm going to talk about is a Pillng gun. These are used a lot for cats that won't take their pills in like a treat or something. It has a little rubber tip, so it's safe to use in the mouth. I have this little tablet here as an example of something that we're going to use. But before we use the Pillng gun, I wanted to mention these little treats that they make, and I highly recommend these to everybody. It doesn't have to be this brand. I don't care what brand you use, but a lot of cats will just eat the treat. They don't even think twice about it. Mine don't. But I also like to use these because some medications are really bitter, and this will hide that bitterness. Even if we are using the Pillng gun or giving a bitter medication and pilling them, it masks that. As you can see, Sherbert is very interested in this. It also helps if you have a really teeny tiny pill because a lot of medications are human medications that we need to make very tiny for our smaller friends. So when I need to make a medication bigger, size-wise, to use in this Pillng gun, so that it doesn't get stuck, I will sometimes put the pill pocket on there as well, just to kind of bulk it up, kind of like this, so that it doesn't get lost in the Pillng gun. And then we use that same action that I had talked about before, where we grip the cheeks with our middle finger and thumb, and we kind of just use that to open their mouth, and then we just kind of use this Pillng gun, and they swallow. We just got to get it in the back of the throat. And they swallow, or like you saw, I had some flavor on there, so he just ate whatever didn't completely go in. So those are two options. If you're having issues with those, there are always other options. I definitely encourage talking to your vet. Some medications can be compounded. I have a bunch of other tips and tricks that I have used in the past, even if we aren't using little treats. They do make empty gel capsules as well, which you can hide certain bitter pills and things in as well. It works really well if you have to give multiple medications at a time. Stay tuned for part 3 for just some little tips and tricks for things to help give medication as well.